Hey everyone, this video is for all the indie hackers out there who are part of the Build in Public movement. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a public analytics dashboard for your website or project using Simple Analytics. One of the most popular indie hackers out there, Peter Levels, does exactly this using Simple Analytics as well. A lot of people are familiar with his Nomad list, now called nomads.com website, and you can see that this is completely public for anyone to view. So we can explore the analytics data to understand how this website is doing over time. We can see where the visitors are coming from, which pages they're visiting, which countries they're coming from, and much, much more. And this really is perfect for anyone building in public because the transparency couldn't be higher. You're really showing exactly how your websites are doing, and the community can kind of follow that over time. So let me show you just how quick and easy this is to set up. I'm on the Simple Analytics dashboard here, and if you don't have your website added, you can just click Add Website, put your script in. Shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. And once you got that, click on the website that you want to make public, then click on Settings, and just here under Change Visibility, let's click on Make Stats Public. And we'll go ahead and save that. You can see we can change some of these options, whether you want to hide top pages or hide this in search engines. I'm just going to leave those blank because I want to show all the data to anyone who wants to have a look. Now, if we go back to the website, you can see that nothing has changed here, but I'm going to copy that URL and I'm going to open up a private window so it won't be logged into my account anymore. And you can see that this dashboard will work exactly the same, just in a read-only mode. You can see I'm not logged in, but I can still view the visitors, and I can still look at the pages and the user data, all the rest of it. This is constantly updated. This is a live view of the website analytics. So your audience always sees the latest numbers, and that transparency is so great for building that trust, which is part of building in public. And it can really also help you with your accountability and motivation. And that's it. So just in a few minutes, you've made your analytics public and you can now share your journey with your audience or community. Thanks for watching and happy building.